Bossa Nova's gonna run into me. This thing is so weird. It's Walmart's inventory computer robot. Look at that, how cool. Wow. Okay, let's hope for no interruptions. I've already had one. Comes with the territory. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need some more underlayment. I need something to use this hammer to hold the underlayment down with. Get up to the wall here. Lay my hammer down over here. Previous job with this. It's okay. There we go. Okie dokie, artichoke. Got the blade. This up the wall a little bit here and score it. That's using your noggin. That's what I tell you. I want the scissors too. Where did I drop them? I lose things so easily. I just don't even know how I do it. But I do it. I have lost my scissors. How in the heck did I do that? Oh, this needs to be shoved up to the wall a little more anyhow. Where did the scissors go? Oh gosh, I remember the last time I buried my scissors. Maybe I did that again. Seem to be kind of good at that. Did I bury it? Yeah. Sure enough. Yeah, right here are my scissors. Let's see. Let's get down here. Okay, you want to see where my scissors are? Yeah, I'm a moron. To the wall where it needs to be on this end. So we will go back down to this end. to grab a bunch of planks and see what direction I want to go with them. What it is here. I bought this at Home Depot about 2 years ago. Okay, I've laid it 2 different directions. I don't know. Okay, so I played around with it. I do definitely like this direction better. And, of course, you know, it's not very staggered and stuff because I just laid pieces down on the floor to see what the effect would look like. I like this direction best. And this is 4 cases of this. I don't think I bought enough. I still got to do the kitchen and hallway. Today is January 24th, 2020, and I just came into the Silver Streak to lay the floor. We had one heck of a rainstorm and saw this. So that's good to know. Got to figure out where it's coming from. Oh, I know where it's coming from. Okay. So I'll patch that up. There's the old antenna that used to be outside. Yeah, that's where it's coming from. There used to be an antenna on the other side of that window, and I bet it went down in between the wall there. So I'll take a look at that, mop that or dry that up. And not supposed to rain for another day or so I can work on that tomorrow. But I can go ahead and start laying my floor today. That's going to look fantastic. Okay, so for this project, my little ultra saw, which is such an awesome little tool, a rubber mallet, blue tape. I am using these thin pieces of wood for my little backing strips. They're just to keep the board aligned against the wall. And this little hammering thing and a little block. So I can't remember what the hammering thing's called. It's just you tap on it to push your boards together. And I'm gonna do my cuts right outside my door. Okay, I took my shoes off, got my little seahorses in case anybody is into weird socks. Okay, so there we go. Let's go. I'm gonna take that outside and just kind of curve it a little bit with the ultra saw. Oh. Okay, this works. Okay, got it plugged in. La 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 la. Let's hope it worked. Okay. Let me see if that's good enough or not. I might have to cut off just a little bit more. Oh, that's good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. That works. That works. That works. Okay. Okay, so what I need to do is cut this end that goes against the wall, not the part that's overlapping, because that is my click and groove section. So I will mark this, take it outside and cut it. I'll mark it with my tape. Today is January 25th, 2020. Didn't get very far with this project yesterday because it was just constant interruptions. So I have left my work home turned off and in my motor home so that I can work on this project and try to get the living room floor done today. I will have to buy some more planks for the kitchen area and then going down the hallway. And you have to let those acclimate for 48 hours before you lay them. I think we're supposed to be getting more rains though tomorrow, so that'll be okay. I'll get the planks today. I'll let them sit in here for 48 hours. If they still have them, I hope they do. I think it's kind of a seasonal thing, so with this particular floor. So we'll see. Anyhow, let's get started. And what the heck? These are today's socks. The pine trees with American Eagles. Ta-da! Okay, I had trouble getting this piece in yesterday. It's supposed, it's supposed to be simple, click and lock, but sometimes I don't want to go in right. And I've got a gap right here. So I'm trying to get that to pop in. Oh dear. So the way it goes is, of course, you have a long edge here, and then you've got the short edge. The short edge is what clicks into the long edge part, okay, like that. However, when you want to join pieces like this together, this is how you do it. There you go. And that's how that's done. So I'll show you again. So this just slides into this groove and there. That's how that's done. This is kind of tedious. Somebody came over and helped me out. Oh, my back. I'm sorry. Yeah, this isn't good to do if you have bad back issues, but oh well. Determination always wins with me. So somebody came in and helped me get the fridge out, and then we properly put it back in, except it needs to be raised on the feet a little bit. I want to get this floor done though. So the fridge can be taken care of later. So, and as I go along, I realize I'm going to run it the whole way down that hall to the bathroom. Not into the bathroom, but to the bathroom. And I realized this is a definite pattern. You can't just work one room at a time because each plank has to click and lock into place as you go along, and you cannot come back later and stick one in a partially finished floor. You have to, like if I finished off this section here, then I wouldn't be able to come back and click and lock into the rest of it like I need to. Okay, I just shared my ideas and what I thought maybe I ought to do, and I had my radio on. Go figure. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, of course, I've cleaned up and mopped this hall area between the beds, and thinking about just cutting a straight line along here and facing those boards the opposite direction. I did that in my house and I really liked it. I think I might do that. And you can, they have these little divider boards that you can buy, divider things to section them off with. So, and I think it would be easier to lay the floor that way anyhow. Just click, 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 click the whole way down, have everything precisely cut. Yeah, I like that idea better. And then that way I can finish the kitchen and the living room today. Okay, the last piece in the living room is fixing to go in. Wow, 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 wow. Whew, it's been a long day, but I got the living room. As soon as I get this in, I can say I got the living room finished. Got a little problem with that right there. Let's see if I can get this jammed up in there a little bit more. There we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, the moment that we've been waiting for so long. Okay, it went in. I just had to pop it up a little bit and it's dropped in place. Awesome. Living room floor is finished. Wow, wow, wow. Took me all day. Do a little 360. Here is the kitchen floor. It is almost finished. I have to recut a piece. I screwed up. I mismeasured. So, yeah, I have to recut that piece because that's too much of a gap. And I tried to cut a little fill-in piece, but that will probably always bug me. So, but then again, I got all this together. We'll see. I mean, it's not perfect anyhow. Look, we've got lots of character going on here with the old condition of the RV. But so I need to go down, get the other box of wood laminate flooring and finish this hallway. Then I will be finished with the wood laminate part. I think it turned out pretty good. It staggered it really well. So I'm going to get this video edited and get it up. Thank you for watching, and live the life you love. You guys are super wonderful. Bye.